Hi there, so welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this video, it's part of the series of how to set up your online presence explanation. I started with explaining multiple options you can leverage on to bring your business online. We mentioned social media options as well as website. So in the last video before this one, I demonstrated how you can set up your Google business profile, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can set up a Facebook business page. Similar to Google business profile, you can create a page for your business. This is separate from your personal account. You need to have your Facebook account before you can be able to create a page. So there are multiple links you can click from your Facebook account. For example, here from the left hand sidebar here we have pages, and from the apps launcher here, the waffle icon here, you can click and you have, so we have an option to create a page here similar to what we have here. So let's click on this page, and from here you can create a page for your business. Let's still create our demo restaurant. So we are trying to create a page for our demo restaurant, and the name is available. Let's say category, let's try restaurant and see. It also pops the categories for you, and you can select multiple categories. Let's say there's an eatery. Let's see whether it's available. So we can choose any category. If it's a Chinese restaurant, Italian restaurant, let's look at food. All these keywords will help Facebook to categorize your business based on related searches, and it will group your business with other business that share similarities. So once you input all these key details, you can go ahead to create a business account for your business. You optimize it with details about your business, photos, and you can go ahead to invite friends and potential customers. You can achieve the same using the Facebook mobile app by clicking on from the top right corner of your Facebook app. You have this menu where you can see your profile image. You click on it and you scroll down to where you can see pages. You click on pages and you see the pages you manage. In this case, we want to create new, and we have from the top left hand corner the create button. So we click on it and we have our creation page where we can input the name similar to what we did on the desktop. So let's get started, and you can go ahead and type the name. We're still creating for our demo restaurant. Click on next and we select the category. So this is a restaurant, similar to what we did using the browser. So you can go ahead and input all these details and you'll be on your way to creating a business page. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos.